Hi, good people. So today I'm going to show you how to insert a data form in Excel. Step 1, click on File, then go to Options, then Customize ribbon, then click on New tab, then go to Choose Commands Form, then click on All Commands, then search for Form. Scroll. So this is what we want. Form, then add, then click OK. You will realize that your new tab has been added. Click on it. Before you add the form, highlight the data, the header of your columns. Then click on the form. Then click OK. Then you're done. Your form is here, inserted properly. Now you can be able to use that to be able to add data. So let's say month of January 2023, name John Doe, ID department finance, salary. Okay, then new, click on new. That record is added. You can be able to add again month of February 2023, Doe Jen, ID, HR department, HR, salary, then you add. So that's how to insert a data form in Excel. Try this. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next video.